All right, welcome everybody. Today is the 26th of May, Sunday. It's a special class for just one topic. We're going to go ahead and understand what is instant data scraping, what is data wrangling. Okay, so you must have heard about data scraping jobs or the data wrangling jobs. So what is that? And what there are full-time employment opportunities for data wranglers. But who are they? What they do? All that we will discuss, and how they do it also we'll discuss. Fair enough. So there's going to be a couple of learning for you guys in terms of uh, in this special class. What I request is everybody open your laptop, join with your laptop so that you can do live. Okay. So as and when we proceed with the class, I'll let you know what tab to open, which link to open. If you follow these steps at the end of this class, you will be able to scrape data very perfectly. Okay. Am I clear, everyone? Please type in a yes, a big yes on the chat. If my instructions are clear, if my voice is clear, if you're able to see my screen, everything, and whatever I've said, it makes sense, then please say yes. Okay. All right. All right. So first of all, guys, one second. Who's that? Urban. Guys, I'll have to force mute everyone. All right. Everybody is on force mute. Okay. If in case you want to say something, please raise your hands. Okay. All right. Now, please pay attention to the screen. So, okay, let's understand what is data scraping. Okay, so I'm going to stop this because we promised that we're going to start from the beginning, right? So, okay, let's say this is a web page. Okay, everybody, let's say this is the web page. Okay, and there is some information here. There is a photograph here, and there is some 80% discount description about the photograph and the picture and all that. Everything is there. There are multiple different data, right? Everybody clear? Let's say this is Flipkart. Okay. And then in this Flipkart page, okay, you have come to the category called women. Okay. Let's say women category. Women what? Women clothing category. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, in this clothing category, you have found out that these are product number one, product number two, product number three, right? Yes, everybody clear? This is Flipkart woman category, product number one, two, three. Clear? Okay. Now, what we have to do is you have got a job, you've got a client. Okay. Let's say there are two ways. Okay. One, think like a employee, okay, who's doing a job, or think like a business person who's doing a business. Okay. How this data will help both of you think. All right. So the first scenario, let's analyze the first scenario. You're doing a job of freelance. Okay. Of freelance. So your boss comes and says, I want all the data of Flipkart under women clothing category. Why? Because my client wants to copy paste and put the exact products, or and also wants to do the pricing strategy, right? So what you'll do is you will take out data, okay, using data scraping, okay. That is one use case, okay, because your boss has asked you, or because your client has asked you, okay, your manager or your client has asked you, okay, correct. What they will do, they will probably use this data and publish in their own website or do some analysis. It doesn't matter what they do, okay. So if you're doing a job, they will ask you to do it fast. So what you'll do, and at that time you'll use this tool called instant data scraper, okay. Instant data scraper, this is a tool that you will use to scrape the data, okay. Now we scrape something of the surface of something, right? The same word, same English word in technology, if we have to say, then you say instant data scraper, okay. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear? Okay. Now, let's say you're doing a business, then how will you do? What you'll do? You'll take the same data, you'll use the same tool, instant data scraper, you'll use the same tool. Now, with that data that you have got, you'll be able to analyze your competitor. Yes or no? You'll be able to analyze your competitor. You will see, okay, I have opened a shop here. Okay. In this street, I've opened a shop. I want to know how many people. Okay, let's say I've opened a t-shirt shop business, okay, and I'm selling t-shirts and caps, right? So I'm selling it here in my area, in the two radius of 2 kilometers. I want to know how many people are selling white t-shirt and white caps, or at least t-shirts and caps, okay. Then how to do it? Then who will tell me? I can either take sit in my car, or I'll sit on the bike, go to each and every shop and check, right? Hey, what you're selling, what you're selling. I can do that. Yes or no? I can physically go to each and every place and I can check, and then take a notepad and write down what all products they have. But that will take me days and days to complete the analysis. Yes or no? Everyone, right? That will take me a lot of days to finish that work. Now I know that, yeah, everybody's saying yes, great. So now I want to take out the data. I want to know within a couple of seconds, within a minute. Then how to do? Then I can use Google, because all the businesses are now on Google. Which business have you heard that they are not on Google? Have you ever heard that no, 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 we don't use Google, we use Yahoo? Have you ever heard any businessman say that? Right? It's not possible. Correct. Why? Because everybody is on Google. Now you know everybody is on Google, right? So it's easy for me to find the data from Google. Okay. So how to find the data? How to find the nearby locations? By using this extension, okay, a tool called instant data scraper. It will scrape whatever you're searching for. Okay. Let's say in Google you'll put near me. Please find out all the salon, nail salon. Okay. Let's say I'm running a nail salon. Okay. Uh, some people say salon, some people say salon, whatever it is. Please don't get into the idea of how to pronounce it. That is not important. The importance is you understand what I'm saying. Okay. Let's say nail shop. Okay. Easy. So let's say I'm doing nail shop. So what you can do is, at that time I'll go to Google and I'll search who is who all are selling that product near me. I want that data. How to do it? By using this tool called instant data scraper. Now, is this the only tool available in the world? No. This is the most basic tool, in fact. Most basic tool. Okay. This is like, if I have to put it in the perspective of real life, this is gonna be like kindergarten. KG level. Okay. Am I clear? What level is this? Kindergarten level. Okay. But you can understand what the power then of the professional ones. Okay. So we'll get to that. But first you have to understand this basic. Okay. Because a lot of people are downloading the files but not able to beautify the file. When I say beautify the file, which means, see, when you download the data from any tool, that data is not in a very readable format. Okay, sometimes it will, you look at the data and then you say, Array, this is not very friendly, readable, friendly. It's I cannot find anything. Has it happened with you guys? It's all jumbled, right? The data is jumbled. We say like that, right? Why? Because this is downloading everything which is there. Okay. Now it is up to you, because you are the data scraper guy, right? You are the data analyst. So the data analyst is supposed to make it readable and send it to the client, right? Send it to the manager. Yes or no? The amount of data everybody has sent to me, okay, I'm telling you, nobody's work will be accepted either in job or business. Okay. Am I clear? Would you guys agree? Yes or no? Okay, so we will now also learn how to download the data, how to search for the data, how to make the data readable. What is important, what is not important, that also we'll learn. Okay, so all that will start. So what I'll do is, okay, just give me 1 second. All right, I'm going to clear this. Is it clear? This part is clear, everyone? Please complete this complete piece of information. Is it clear? This one, so this one. Yeah. So as a job, what to do data scraping, how to do data scraping, why they do data scraping, you have understood, right? It is your responsibility to find out the salaries of data wranglers, or what is data, who are data wranglers. Okay. By the way, have you ever heard of the brand called Wrangler? I think they used to make shoes or clothes or something. Yeah. Similarly, add the word data wrangler, and this is a job title, by the way, guys. This job existed 20 years ago or 30 years ago. What do you guys think? Do you think data wrangling job was available 30 years ago? What do you guys think? Yes or no? There's no right or wrong answer, guys. Yeah, correct. Most people are saying no. Okay, why? Because at that time there were tools. Not the tools were not like that. Okay, and then no data was not the gold rush, right? At that time, correct. Although it was there, it was in the starting phase. So with the help of technology, what happens? New jobs are created. New job titles are created. Correct. New job titles are created. Yes or no? Now tomorrow, let's say Chat GPT got released in 2022, right? Okay. Before that, did you hear the word AI? Generative AI? All right. Prompt engineers. Prompt engineer, the job title, prompt engineer, it is world's one of the highest paying job, just to talk to engineers. So basically, prompt engineering is also a part of data wrangling. You guys agree or not? Because Chat GPT has all the data, right? All the brain it has, but then you have to take out what is important. Correct or not? So that's also part of the prompt engineering, right? Prompt engineering is the highest paid job in the world now. Okay, more than pilots and more than doctors, by the way. Huh? As a fresh, I'm talking about. Okay, why? Because prompt engineer's job is to talk to AI. Okay, and then to improve the language models. There are a lot of models that AI uses. Okay, when we reach the prompt AI part, we will understand in depth. So as of now, clear, right? So it's your job responsibility it is your responsibility to go ahead and find out what is data wrangling, who are data wrangling, who are data wranglers and what is data wrangling, okay, and what is their job and which company is hiring, okay. Fair enough, everybody will do that. Because the reason why I'm telling you, because if you understand the job, if you understand, oh, there's a job like this, okay, available, that means when you find out that it's available in Naukri, you'll be able to read the JD, job description. Yes or no? Once I read job description, then I'll understand, okay, these are the skills needed, okay, then I can get the job. Okay, so this is called reverse engineering, guys. You want to know how to get a job? First, go to Naukri and start finding jobs. Whichever job, doesn't matter, right? First, find out job, open your job description. Once you open job description, you'll understand, okay, these are the skills needed. Then you ask yourself a question. Do I have the skill? Do I have the skill? Do I have this? Do I have this? Do I have this? If you have 90% or let's say 80% of the skills, apply for the job. Even if you have 80% of the skills, apply for the job. Okay, pay attention. Don't wait for 100% because there will be no job in this world where you will have 100% skill, except for the if a job says you have to sleep a whole day. That also you can't do actually. Am I clear, everyone? Why you have to search for job opportunities on any new topic? Because you will understand the job description, then you will understand the skills needed, and then you can analyze whether you have the skills or not. Please type in a big yes if you have understood. Everybody has understood. I'm going to erase this. Okay, great. Okay, so please give me 1 second. Let me just share the screen with you guys. Please bear with me. Everybody, please open Google Chrome in your laptop or desktop. Everybody, please open Google Chrome. All right, just open. Just double click on the Google Chrome icon and don't do anything. Once it's open, type in yes, open, or just type in yes. Okay, great. Now type this word, these lovely words, instant data scraper extension. These four lovely words, type in instant data scraper extension. And obviously put a space in between, okay? I can't, in English language, you don't say space, right? It is an understood thing, right? Because there have been people when say, yes, sir, you said instant data scraper. I thought it's one word, so I've typed one. No, please. All right. Once you have done that also, let me know. So step number 1, understood, open Google Chrome. Yes. Step number 2 is to type these lovely words. Everybody done that. You guys must be thinking, why am I going to such slow speed and such snail speed? Is because you may be very smart and intelligent and very fast, okay, but there could be someone who's struggling with that simple step, right? So we have to respect everyone, okay. That is why we are going slowly, step by step, to understand everybody is on the same page, because we are all a team. Clear, everyone? Okay, now once you've typed these lovely words, press enter so that Google can search. Okay, first URL that you will find is Chrome Web Store. You see here, HTTPS. Now you guys already know what is HTTPS. I don't have to explain it. Okay, so it says it shows Chrome Web Store.google.com. So I will click on this. Okay, because this is what I want, and I'll reach this page. If everybody see this page, have reached this page, please type in a yes. There are some people who are not responding to my messages. I mean my requests, like they are not typing in yes. So I'm assuming that they are doing it. I'm assuming, and I will ask you a couple of times. If I don't see a yes from them, I will remove them from the call. Is that clear, everyone? So literally, I'm shouting on top of my lungs. Okay, going step by step, putting in a lot of energy on a Sunday where this is something that I could have easily said I'll cover it on Monday, right? But I don't want to waste your Monday, guys. See how much I think of you. All right. So all you have to do is think of me and say yes. Okay. Clear? Okay. Great. All right. Who's not responding? Let me see. Okay. Great. All right. So everybody, yeah, more or less are responding. That's good. Okay. All right. Mm, now in this particular, okay. So I told you guys that just like everybody has an iPhone or has an Android phone, correct? In this class, either you'll have an iPhone or an Android phone. Those who have iPhone, they download the apps from Apple Store, right? iStore or Play. No, not Play Store, but you get it, App Store, correct? Those who are on Android, they download the application from Play Store, Google Play Store. Am I correct? Everybody knows this, yes? Okay, great. Now you want to download a Chrome extension. Then where will you go? You'll go to Chrome Web Store. Okay. If you guys are hearing for the first time, write it down in a piece of paper. All right. If you want to install any Chrome extensions, where will you go? You'll go to Chrome Web Store. Now, if on my mobile, if I go to Chrome Web Store, will it work? The answer is if you go to App Store on your desktop and try to download an Apple app, will it work? It will not work, right? That's you'll say no, it's not work like that, right? Same way. Chrome Web Store will not work anywhere else apart from Chrome, which is on desktop or laptop. Okay, clear everyone? That part clear? Everybody? Okay. So here for me it says remove. Okay, I'll remove it, guys, for you. Okay, I'll remove it. Okay. Now for me now it says add to Chrome. For you guys, it might say remove or it might say add. I want everybody to remove it. If it says remove, click on remove, and then it will become add to Chrome. Once done, please let me know. Okay, wonderful, wonderful, guys, wonderful. Right now it says add to Chrome, right? Click on add to Chrome, and then you'll get a pop-up saying add instant data scraper. Are you sure? Just say yes, add extension. Then it tells me that instant data scraper has been added. Okay. Can you see my screen? Yes or no? Santisola is saying no. Miran is saying no. Why you guys are literally not able to see my screen? How is that possible? Now are you able to see my screen? Yes or no? Okay. Can see now. Okay, great job. Great, great, great. All right, so everybody has gone ahead and removed and added it again. Yes, added this extension. Correct? Am I correct? Is my assumption correct? If it's correct, please type yes. Okay. Okay, great. Everybody says yes, 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 yes. Okay. Which company is making this tool? Who can answer? Which company has made this tool? I'll repeat. Which company has made this tool? See, for example, Tata Truck. Who is making Tata Truck? Tata company. Correct. Similarly, this tool somebody must have made, right? Who made? Who can guess the answer? Yeah, who's it? Yeah, say it. What is it? What is who's it? Yes. Webrobots.io. Attila is also saying web robots. Great. Deepak is also saying web robots. There are only two responses that I got. So I'm assuming that everybody is on the same page. Everybody knows it's webrobots.io. Okay. Okay. It's written here. Can you guys see this? Yeah. So when I click on this, it says you're leaving the web store. Okay. I don't want to do it right now. Okay. So, and anyway, um, okay. Let me just. How many people have actually played this video and seen this video? Tell me honestly, this video. In fact, I remember somebody asking me something, and I told them that I'm outside. Please watch YouTube. I don't know who was that. Yeah, how many people have done it actually? Okay, no problem. If you have not done it, no problem. I'll share this link with you. Okay, I'll share with you all. Okay, everybody got that link? Yes or no? No. Okay, so I'm going to show you again. Okay, go to Google, type in instant data scraper extension. First link, it'll open web Chrome Web Store, and then here I have data scraper. Like that, I here if you can see there are lot many search extensions and themes. Do you see that? Okay, you can search anything. Okay, later on I'll tell you what to search, what not to search. Now, the moment you have installed it, here, see here, pay attention here. Everyone, can you see extensions? Yeah, yes or no? At the top, you guys can see extensions, not bookmarks, guys. Okay, extensions. Just on the same line of bookmark, you'll see something like an extension. Are you able to see? Okay. Under extension, you will be able to see instant data scraper. Okay. Yes or no? There you'll see a pin, but pin, it looks like a pin, correct? Click on it. So that now it comes here. It gets pinned here. Okay. Yes or no? Everybody done that? Everybody. Pushpa, Naro, Lipok, Timjin Naro, Nungti Senla. I'm taking the names of guys who have not responded. Okay. Santi Sola. Everybody has added this, added the extension. Santi Sola, yes. Okay. Santi Sola, yes. Okay. Aban, have you added? Okay. All right. Yes. Yes. Okay. Done. All right. So now let me click on it and let me see if you are able to see that. No, don't click on. You guys don't click on it. Wait. Okay. Now close this. Okay. And open. Let's say Flipkart. First, we'll do Flipkart e-commerce. One example, and next example we'll do of Google. Fair enough? Let's go. Let's go. All right. So now I'm on Flipkart, right? Now, not necessarily that I have to log in. I can do it without logging in also. But if I log in, I'll be sometimes it's better because what happens is I have full access. Okay. Let's say my client tells me, Sagar, take out all the grocery information. Right. So fine, fair enough. But see, it's asking me to put the details and this and that. So at that time, I'll leave it. I'll log in and then do it. Let's say mm, appliances. I'll download appliances. Okay. Fair enough. Everybody can see the carousel. Those who don't know carousel, okay, please call me and ask me. Okay. Those who have never heard of the word carousel, that's even better. You just call me on my personal mobile and ask me. I'll give you a different kind of answer. Okay. Clear? Everybody open Flipkart. Then similarly, the way I have opened. Now you can choose any category that you want. Okay. Let's say you guys are choosing Samsung. You can choose electronic and under electronic choose Samsung, but make sure you click on this view all. Okay. It's better everybody open the same one because otherwise there'll be confusion. Let's everybody open, go to electronics, go to Samsung, click on view all. And first thing should be 74,999, this product. And there should be your next button here. Is everybody doing that? I want a yes. Yeah, please bear with me this. I can't see Aban, so let me message her. Okay. All right. Okay. Great, because I don't want anyone missing it. Okay. Fair enough. All right. What is she say? AC network issues. Okay, guys. Fine. Okay, so everybody, please make sure that you are on this particular page which says mobile, and I want a big yes from everyone. Okay, great. Everybody says yes. I hope that they are on this page. Okay, great. Now open the instant data scraper. Now you guys might not be able to see my screen, but you'll be able to see the red box which is here. Similarly, on your website, on your computer, you'll see a red box here. Yes, because the pop-up is not visible for you to you guys. I can only see the pop-up. The reason why, because I've only shared the Google Chrome. I've not shared the entire Mac window. Okay, that's why. And pop-up is a separate pop-up of a window Chrome. All right. Now it doesn't matter. So you can see the red box. Everybody got the red box. Some people might get a red box here. Okay. If you get a red box somewhere else, apart from the main data that you want, there's another button called try another table, which is on the tool itself. Okay, but don't click on it. Only click on it when you are when by mistake you are in a different table. Wherever the red table is, okay, red boxes, whatever is inside the red box, the software will only pull that one. Clear, everybody? Wherever the red box is, inside the box, whatever is information is there, it will only pull that information. Am I clear, everybody? Type in a yes. Okay, so make sure that whatever data, whichever website you're in, okay, whether you're in Google, whether you're in anywhere else, okay, if in case you are trying to dig out the data, make sure that your data is inside this red table. Okay, clear? Now I will go ahead and locate. Okay, so scroll down on this page, scroll down and go to the option which says next. Like this. Can you all see this? Next. Yeah, great. Okay. Oh, okay, great. So please go ahead and where's the scraper for me? Okay. In the data scraper, there's a button called in the pop-up which says instant data scraper. There's a button called locate, and then in the quotation there is no next, and then button. Click on that. After that, click on this next. Okay. Click on that, and then directly click on next. Don't click here and there. So what you're telling the tool is, hey, that button is the next button. Okay, so what the tool will do is it will automatically click on it and it will go to the next page so that it can take out the information from multiple pages. Am I clear, everyone? Pushpa, Naro, Nunti Senla, Senti Wala, Senti Sola. Okay. Urban is facing technical issues, so she is not there. Fair enough. Everybody, please make sure you type in a yes if you have understood this step. Everyone, I want a participation from everyone because I'm not going to repeat it again. All right. Either you understand it or you watch the video again. Fair enough? Okay. All right. So now I've clicked on next. I'll go back to this pop-up, which is instant data scraper. And then you will see that now there's a new button which is activated, which says start crawling. You see that? Everybody, if you see that, click on start crawling. We will click on the locate next button. Okay. Guys, this is what I was talking about. Okay. I'll see. So Pushpa said, I tried, it's not turning green. Fair enough. And Naro says, we will click on the locate next button. Correct. Okay, so I'll address the questions again. Okay. Now, this first you have to be on Flipkart page. Okay. Pushpa, to answer your question, first you have to be on Flipkart page. Are you on Flipkart page? Answer is yes or no. Okay, great. Once you're on Flipkart page, you have to open Instant Data Scraper tool. Okay. You cannot be on different page and open it. Is it open? Yes or no? Okay, great. Now, when you open Instant Data Scraper page, the pop-up, the small pop-up comes which is locate next button, which is in blue color. Correct? Yes or no? Both. Yes. Okay. Now, I will not click on it right now because if I click on it, I can find the next button. First, I will find next button myself. Okay. So next button will be somewhere here at the bottom. So scroll down. Pushpa, you first find out where is the next button. Right. So scroll down. Did you find the next button for yourself? Yes or no? Okay, you got the next button. Yes. Naro? Yes. Okay. Now you open the tool again. You open the tool. I mean, it must be minimized at the bottom. Okay. So you open that. Don't open the tool again. Don't open the tool multiple times, guys. You open the tool only once, and when you click here and there, it goes down. It actually hides on the window, sorry, Google Chrome tab, which is at the bottom. If you right click on it, you'll be able to see multiple, tabs open. Right. So open one of the instant data scraper. When you right click at the bottom, where you have the Google Chrome symbol, okay, when you right click on it and you see that there are multiple instant data scrapers, you close it. Okay, which is what? Okay, it's blue. Which is blue? Instant data scraper locate next button is blue. Correct? Yes. The next button is blue. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so let me just refresh the page here. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Okay, because it has stopped scraping. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put it in Google Sheet and I'll open a new sheet. Then I'm gonna paste it here. Okay. Everybody, once the is done, just copy it and open Google Sheet and paste it in the new untitled spreadsheet. Okay. And here the name should be like this. Okay. It should be Amazon data or Flipkart data. Flipkart underscore data. Okay. Slash which category I have taken out. The category is Samsung Mobile. Right. Flipkart underscore data slash Samsung Mobile. So now I know that I took out data from Flipkart and what data is it is Samsung Mobile data. Okay. This should be the naming convention. Right. Okay, now let me go back to Pushpa and Naro. Okay, great. All right, so now can you see the screen? I'm going to open Flipkart again. Please see the screen again. This is great because everybody we are doing live and we are learning live. So this is a great opportunity for everyone. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start again. All right, please pay attention. I'm going to mobiles and then I'm going to electronics and Samsung. Right. When I click on view all, when I scroll down, the next button is in blue, correct? This is what you guys are talking about, right? Yes. Okay, great. I understood. Now, that means, okay, fine, fair enough. Now you open instant data scraper. Now open instant data scraper. You'll see the red table. Yes. See, moment I opened the table came, the color of this also changed live. Yes or no? Okay, for you also it will do. Yes, Pushpa, Naru. Pushpa says yes. Great job. Okay. Now in the data scraper, okay, it says locate next button and it's in blue color, right? Click on that and then click on this word next. Done. So your next should so look something like this. Is your next looking like this? Both of you, please type. Okay, it will. Yeah. Okay, great. Now please click on start crawling. There is another button which has now come up which says start crawling. Yes? What you left? Left the meeting. Okay, no problem. Are you back here? So just go back to the same screen. It's okay, no problem. Both of you, you have clicked on in this next button already. Okay, and it has turned into this. There's a new button called start crawling, right? It has emerged. So click on start crawling. It will start crawling. Basically, we are just showing. You're just telling, hey tool, that is the next button. Go and click there. Basically, that is what you say. Am I clear, everybody? Pushpa and Naro, are you guys able to do it? Yeah, yes, great. Okay, if anybody still has any confusion, okay, please let me know. We'll discuss further. Okay, done crawling for me 30 pages. Okay, good job. Only 30 pages. I think there are only 30 pages for something like that. What else to do? Okay, yeah, there are only 30 pages for something mobile. How many mobiles you want? You want more categories? Then choose another category. Okay. Okay, everybody, please see the screen and tell me, you guys have downloaded this data, not downloaded, you copied the data from the scraper, you put it on the Google Sheet like this, right? And then you renamed it like this. If everybody has done that, please tell me. And Pushpa and Naro, once the crawling is done, please let me know. How you know that crawling is done? You'll see that this thing, which is the table, right? It is automatically crawling, right? Something is happening. Pages are changing on its own, right? If this was 100 years ago, what will happen? People will say that this is black magic, right? I'm just kidding, guys. So once that is done, let me know. Okay, I think it's done. 30 pages only. Yeah. For you also, it will be done. Pushpa now. Crawling done here. Okay, great. Pushpa, crawling done. When the crawling is done, in that tool, you'll see in that tool, it will say three options down in the green button. Down CSV, that's the first one. Second one is XLSX. Third one is copy all. Yes, I will click on copy all. Right? You guys click on copy all. Done. And then go to sheets.google.com. Go to sheets.google.com. Okay. And then there's a blank sheet. Click on that. Sheets SHWTS. Sheets.google.com. Right? Done. I've done it twice, guys. Okay. Now I hope that everybody has done it by now. Others have done it. So far done it. Great. Naro, sheet, you just okay, done. Great. Wonderful. Now here, the moment you copy and paste something on the Google Sheet, by default it will say untitled spreadsheet. Yes. Now obviously I cannot submit my work like untitled spreadsheet, right? I have to give some title. What title I'll give? I'll remove that and I'll type Flipkart. Flipkart underscore. You can either keep all caps or you can keep one cap. That's fine. It's all up to you. But obviously, don't make it the first one small, F, and rest all capital. That doesn't look good. Okay. First capital, that's fine. Flipkart underscore. I will write down data scraping. Okay, data scrape. Okay, or data scrape also you can write like that. Okay, so data scraping slash forward slash. I'll write Samsung Mobile. Samsung Mobile. Okay, why? Because now I need to know it's a data Flipkart data, or you can just simply write data also. Whatever comes to your mind, that you can write that, but it should be data scraping or data scrape. Okay, so Flipkart underscore data slash Samsung Mobile. So which data is that? This data represents Samsung data. Okay. Tomorrow, because I'm gonna let's say my boss will ask me, hey, Samsung data is good. Now I want Motorola data. So again, I'm gonna make a sheet here instead of Samsung. I'll write down Motorola. Okay, fair enough, everybody. So yeah. So and then the moment you type and then click somewhere else, it will change automatically. You don't have to clarify. Everybody done that? Everybody on the same page? Yep. Okay, great. All right, now here at the top, are you guys able to see my screen, by the way? Yeah, at the top, there's the first button here at the extreme top left hand corner. Okay, just above the number one. This is number one. This is number one row, right? This is number two, number three, number four. Above the number one, there's a box. Click on that, everybody. And then after clicking on that, click on this, which says horizontal align. Click on that and click on the middle one, center. So everything will be aligned center. Okay, done. Okay, great. All right, all right. Again, click just above the number one. There's an empty box. Click on that empty box. Everything will be selected. Now click on this bar, which looks like a jail. Click on that. It's actually borders. Okay. Now click on all borders. Okay. Now you see everybody is now in borders. Okay. Yes or no? Everybody done. Let's wait for a few minutes for others to join and then do it. Join as in finish and let me know. Okay. Once you're done, please type yes. Everybody. I want everybody to type yes. Please. Okay. Just give me 1 second. I'll get some water. And then meanwhile, please do it. Okay. And those who have done that, click on the number one and then click on B. B for bold. So you see that magic. The first line is all bold. Okay. It's not magic. Okay. All right. Just give me 1 second. Guys. I'll be back in 1 second. Not 1 second. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Guys, I just wanted to ask you guys if anybody wants to go on a break, if you guys want to go on a break, a quick refresher for 5 minutes, just relax yourself, stretch your arms and legs, do your needs, whatever it is. You guys want to break 5 minutes? We'll not disconnect the call. We'll all be here only. We'll just be on mute. You want to do that? Yes or no? If no, then we can continue. No problem. How many people want to break? A quick 5 minute refresher. Pushpa says continue. So we can continue. No problem. We continue. All right. Let's go. Let's continue. Okay. All right. Let me just pause this and show. Everybody, please confirm. There are only two people who have. Okay. Continue. Let's continue. Okay. We'll continue. All right. So if you see here, okay. So everybody has this particular screen, right? Okay. So this is called a row number one. Okay. So I've made row number one bold. But have you noticed the row number one is not readable by human, right? But you cannot submit this to as your work, right? Correct. So what you have to do is now you have to find out which category is what. Correct. Now by default I know that these are URLs. Correct. These are href. So what I can do is I can delete that and type URL href URL and I'll leave it href as it is. What is href? I'll tell you later. But as of now, I'll just put URL. Even if you don't put href, you know it's a URL. Just put URL. Okay. The other one is also looking like URL. Just type URL. Right. So your mission should be nothing should be left in the data which is not readable by a human being. Okay. Now here it says add to compare. Okay. Add to compare. Why it has picked up add to compare is because on Flipkart there's an option called add to compare. Okay. See this button. Can you all see this one? Yes or no? This one. Yeah. So this add to compare is also getting picked up because it's inside the red box, right? Now just imagine add to compare, the small button is also picked up. So I told you, right? Whatever is inside the red box, it will pick up. So that's what is picking up. So, but do I need that? Does it add value to the data? You have to ask this question. As a data wrangler or as a data analyst, you have to understand, does this piece of information add value to the data? Okay, you have to use your brain. If it doesn't, then click on this row at the top, right click, delete the column. Okay. Then go to the next one. I'll just expand it a little bit here like this. Okay, there you go. I can see all the names, all the names properly. This is Samsung S4, Samsung S4. So yeah, these are mobile model numbers, right? So here, but in the heading it says KZDIH. It is not readable by you, right? So I'll remove that and I'll say mobile models. Yes or no? Or I can just say models, right? Yes or no? Here the next it says I can see 4.4, 4.2, 4.3. What do you think it is? Obviously it is rating. Does anyone think it is not rating and something else? Please type in and let me know. Okay. It's reviews or ratings. I'll just type rating. Right. On Flipkart you have rating. Now what is this? These are, if you click on this any one, it says data underscore data column image slash SVG XML base 64. By this image slash SVG, I know what type of file it is. These are all carousel images file. Okay. All right, guys. These are all carousel images. In a carousel, in Flipkart, there's a carousel, right? There you have images, right? These are all the images of that. Do I need that? I don't need that. I'll delete it. Okay. Here again, it says 879 ratings, 800, 21,000 ratings. So I'll say ratings. Okay. Okay. Or review ratings. Okay. These are review ratings. I cannot have the same word again and again, right? So one rating is here, one is review rating. Okay. Here it says this is an and symbol. Does it add value to the data? Those who think it's adding value, please say yes. Those who think it's not adding value, please say no. Right? So Lipuk says no, Attila no. Yeah, it's not adding value. Right? So I'll click on this at the top and then delete this entire column. I don't need this. Okay. Here you see rating, review rating, and here it says 125 reviews, 43 reviews, 1400 reviews. So I know this tab is review tab. Yeah. So I'll remove that and I'll type review. Okay. I'll make sure that I'll keep it in all caps because all the other tabs I've written in caps. So this one also I will have to write in caps only. And caps looks better. Yes or no? So you have to think of all this. Right? Now again here, if I expand it a little bit, it says, what does it say? Let me make it little compress it a little bit. Okay. Now if I expand this particular cell, now it says 8 GB and then 128 GB. It says NA and then 8 GB. So what does that show me? What does that tell me? That tells me that this is the RAM capacity of that particular mobile. Yes or no? So I'll say RAM. Okay. In bracket I'll write GB. Correct? Yes or no? Whatever steps we are doing, is it making sense, guys? What we are doing is we are making this data readable to human being. Okay, because computers can read it for sure. That's why that tool write it and download it, right? But we can't do it. Here, next column, I see it's talking about display. So I will write display size. I can write. Is everybody clear how to make the data readable? This one talks about camera. This one talks about battery. Everybody clear? I'm gonna just speed up the process. Processor. Water. Free delivery I don't need. What will I do with free delivery? This links I don't need. Only few left I don't need. Bank offer I don't need. Okay. Now this I need because you need to first see what type of percentage discount they're giving your competitors, right? So what amount is this and what amount is this you have to figure out. Okay. So I think this is the actual price and after 11% it becomes this, correct? So this is the actual price, correct? Now you can also verify that with the web from any website that you have actually downloaded. Okay, and here offer price, correct? And then first, I'll just say discount. Okay, discount. Okay, payment. So here you'll see, right? Everything is now all the heading, okay, is now properly done. Yes or no? Does this make more sense? Is it making sense to make the data like this? Okay. So when you submit the data like this to your client or your boss or your manager or whoever, right? Do you think that they will appreciate your effort? Not appreciate your. This is what you're supposed to do. You're not doing them a favor, by the way, right? But they will know that you are a professional. Yes or no? Right. Now, what I can do is I can now add some color code to it. Okay, that's not needed, but I like to do it because I like to see something little colorful, right? So I'll do it here like this. We can put any color. Let's put the right color. Now see, Now, the reason why I've done it here is now I can apply filters. Okay. What is filter? I can sort it by sort to how to sort. Okay. How to apply filter? Everybody click on this number one. When you click on number one, the entire row of one is selected. When you click on two, the entire row of two is selected. Where we want to put filter? We want to put filter on the head, right? This is the head of this data, right? So I'll just click on number one. Okay. So everything is selected. Here, there's an option. This looks like a triangle with a extension. Okay. Y. It looks like a Y. It says create a filter. Everybody click on that. It is here. From the last, third last, one, two, three, third last. Okay. The moment you do that, nothing actually happens. A small three dots come here in front of each word, each tab. Okay. Those, if you have done it correctly, you will see this. If you have not done it correctly, you will not see. Okay. Everybody, yes. Okay. Wonderful. Now, what you can also do is now you can filter your data. What do you mean by filter your data? Obviously, when you give your data to someone, you have to filter it. Either you filter it by rating or by rate or by whatever the client will tell you. Client will tell you, I want every mobile phone to be filtered from top, sort by top to bottom. Okay. So there's an option there. If you click on these three dots, okay, click on these three, it says sort by A to Z, sort by Z to A, sort by color, all that, blah blah blah, right? So just click on sort by A to Z and see what happens. It will start from A to Z, A, B, C, D. So if A is in front, it will come, it will arrange the data accordingly. Okay. Everybody clear? Let's say I want to sort it by the price. Can I do that? Yes. Okay. Here's the different price, right? So A is 1350, Z is 84,000. So I want Z to A, right? So there you go. You don't have to do all the mathematics and all. You have to just click on A to Z, Z to A. Right now, we do this only, and later on, we'll understand more complex stuff. Okay. Okay. Right. Let's say you've done some mistake. There's always a undo button here. You see this at the extreme left hand corner at the top, just underneath the flip chart. There's a file. Underneath the file, there's a arrow which is going back. That is called undo. Okay, you can undo it. Okay, it will go back to where how the data was. So even if you make any mistake, don't worry. You can always go back. Okay. So I've gone back. Right? So you remember I've changed two colors. I've gone to the first color. You remember no color. I've gone back to this color. Okay. Understood? Everybody clear? This is how I will do the data filtration. Okay. This is how I will make sure that my data has a value. Okay. Because when I'm giving my data to my client, they will be able to use that data. Okay. Fair enough, everybody. Yeah. Okay. Now let me now. Okay. So this part is done. So you have downloaded the data from Flipkart. You have put it on the Google Sheet. You have also learned how to beautify it, how to make it human readable, how to change all this. Okay. While changing all this, have you noticed something? At the bottom, it still says sheet one. For some people, it will say show recovered sheet here. Yeah. Obviously, this is not correct. I cannot type sheet one and send it to client. Right. So right, what I'll do is I'll rename it. I'll say Samsung mobile. I'll just say Samsung data. Why? Because tomorrow if my boss asks me, hey, now I'm Motorola, I'll just click on this plus sign, a new sheet will open. I'll rename this Motorola, and then give the same sheet now. Yes or no? So what I'll do, I'll just scrape the data, copy it here, and then here it says Samsung. I'll remove that, and I'll say mobiles. That's it. Makes sense. So now my client will say it's in the next Nokia. I'll do one more sheet here, rename it to Nokia, right? So and so forth. I can do multiple tabs, right? It's saving my time only, right? Otherwise, I have to keep on making new sheets, sending this, that. It's a lot of hassle. You agree or not? Right? So a lot of people got the feedback when they submitted the homework that I have told them that at the bottom there's a recovered sheet. Please rename it. If you are one of them, now you know why. Okay. Okay, great. So now let me show you how to download the data from Google. Okay, how many people want to learn that? Okay, Akila says me. Who else? All right. Okay, wonderful. Wonderful. So a lot of people. Let's get started without wasting time. So first thing, what I'll do is I'll go to Google. Okay. Let me close this data scraper. I don't need it anymore. Okay, guys, close all the data scrapers if it's open for you guys. Let me repeat, close all the data scrapers if it's already open for you. Okay, I'm just asking to close it. I'm not asking you to remove it from Chrome. Okay. Okay. Now open, go to Google and just type. See, let me search something. Okay. Mm, nail salon near me. Okay. Nail salon near me. Everybody type this. I've typed here. Same word. The result for you will might be different from the result that I am. Okay, that I will get. You know why? It's showing me this location, right? I'm currently sitting in Duncan Basti, Dimapur. Okay. If I was sitting in London, it will show me London businesses. If I was sitting in Calcutta, it will show me Calcutta. Fair enough? Everybody? Okay. So once you have gone to Google, type search for nail salon near me. These are the four lovely words that you have searched this time, and then hit enter. And then once the result has come, SERP has come, let me know. For those who don't know what is SERP, please give me a call. I will explain nicely. Okay, on my personal number. Okay, call me on my personal number. Those who don't know what is SERP, SERP. Okay? And if you're from Mokokchung, that's even better. Okay, because then we can have a conference call with the committee also. Okay, cool. Okay, so now only Attila is responding to this. Guys, nobody is doing this or what? If you guys are not doing it, you can leave the call. So do I have to keep on asking you to please reply, please? Is this professional, guys? If you've done it, it's your responsibility to let me know that you've done it. Otherwise, how will know? How will I know? Network is slow. Okay, for you, right? What about others? Okay, guys, let's not waste time. Okay, here the moment I have done, if you see here, there is something called people also search for, and then okay, it's first thing comes businesses. Here it says more businesses. You see that? More businesses. I'll click on more businesses. Okay. You remember when you went to Flipkart, when you Google Flipkart.com and I asked you to go to Flipkart, you went to Flipkart. Then I asked you to go to electronics, you went to electronics. Then I asked you to click on Samsung, you clicked on Samsung. Then you clicked on view all. That is when the entire list came. Yes. Similarly, in Google, when you search for any business salon near me, it's first showing you businesses. Okay, because Google does not know yet what exactly are you looking for, because you haven't used search parameters. Okay, but if I put search parameters, then obviously yes, it will give me only businesses. Okay, now here it says businesses. I'll click on more businesses. Everybody click on more businesses. Yeah, done. Attila, done. Okay, Aban says done. For me, it is view all. Either you're not on the same page what we are discussing, or you have done something wrong. Correct? Because Google will not give you a different option and give me a different option. Right? You agree with that? Okay, I'm gonna ask repeat again. Step by step, please understand this. Okay. I've gone to Google. Go back to Google, guys, everyone. Are you back in Google? Please confirm. You have to do it on a mobile, sorry, not on a mobile phone. You have to do it on laptop. Okay, go to Google, type nail salon near me and hit enter. The moment you hit enter, this is the page you'll get. There's no other way that you'll get a different page. If you're getting a different page, please take a screenshot of that and send it to me, or take a photo of that and send it to me. But make sure before you send it to me, you see that everything is correct. Okay, you see that at the top it says Google here, and you're not typing nail salon here, you're typing it inside Google here, right? And then under this you'll see businesses, right? And then here it says more business. If I scroll down a little bit, right, everybody has this page. Click on that and then you'll find this page. Yes. Okay, shall we move on to the next topic? I mean, next topic is the next part of this topic. Yeah. Okay, now everybody please open, not open, sorry, scroll down and try to find the next button, because you remember you guys have to see next button, because if you don't see next button, how will the tool see the next button? Do you see the next button? Everybody able to locate the next button? So always guys remember, okay, you know the tool is going to ask you for the next button. Before the tool asks, you find out next button yourself and then be ready and then open the tool. Okay? No sir. What no? Who's able to see the next button? Type yes, me, or yes, whatever. Those who are not able to see, just say no. Okay, I'll do it again, guys. Okay, pay attention to the screen. Okay, I'm opening Google again. All right, my Google is open. You can see it on the screen. Okay, inside Google search, I'm typing nail salon near me, and then I'll hit enter. Okay, step number one done. I am under businesses, right? Everybody. Okay, step number one done. There's no what? There's no button for me. What? No NE button for me. No next button for me. Yeah, that's what I'm showing you, right? Please see the screen again. Everybody. Okay. When I search names, I appears as different. Why? How? How does it appear different, my friend? I'm showing again, okay? Go to Google. Okay. This is the Google page, guys. Okay. In the entire world, there's only one Google page. Either you're not searching on Google, either something else is there. and then I'll type nail salon near me. Okay, and I hit enter. Okay, spelling is incorrect. I'll check the spelling. I'll hit enter. If I'm here, there are multiple tabs. It says all, maps, images, shopping, video, blah blah blah. Right? I have to be under. Okay, you can also be on map. Okay, by the way, but we will not be on map because it will become more confusing. Just click on all. Okay, make sure that you're on this all. Yeah. Okay. Can you take a picture properly, Lipok, and send it? Can you take a picture of the entire screen? Let me see the picture of that. Yeah, because Pushpa, you're searching in Yahoo. Please check the URL. It says in.search.yahoo.com. That's why. Obviously, it will not work. Okay. The photograph that you have sent me, in the top, you will see that is Yahoo. In search.yahoo.com. I told you, kept teaching you to go to Google, right? Type google.com and then enter. And then do it. Nail salon near me. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fair enough. Okay. So if you scroll, okay, if you scroll down, what happens? Like Libok, if you scroll down, what happens? See, what he's saying that he's getting this page. Actually, you're getting this page, right? You're not getting this part, right? Because it could be because on your laptop, what you're searching, your result is not on. This location is not on. That's why. Okay. Because what you're seeing right now is you're seeing this page, just dial wala page, right? And let me see whether are you logged into it. Yeah. Oh yes. See, what did I tell you, boss? It says VPN. Who asked you to put VPN? Did I ask you to put VPN? See here on the. That is why, you know what. So take a photo and send it to me. I'll know what the problem is. You have installed VPN and here the location is blocked. Okay, can you see that? Yeah. See, can you see this or not? Everybody can see this. So please, remove VPN and this and that. Okay, that is not. If you really want to do VPN and all that, you create a new account, right? Create a new user account, not Google account. Create a new user account. Inside the user account, create a different world of yours by a different Google account and then play around. Okay, is that clear, Lipok? Yes, see, it's come right. Businesses. अभी कैसा आ गया? Use a precise location. Because here in this browser there is no VPN and all that. Okay, because this one I think is your personal. It's I don't know which browser you have opened. Okay, it's a different browser, and then this one. Anyway, yeah, just click on. Yeah, this is good only. What's the problem? Go back. You have gone one step ahead. Go back. Go back to the. Click on this back button. Aban, this back button. Who else is sending me photograph? आ गया ना. अभी सर्च करोगे याहू में गूगल में कैसा रिजल्ट आएगा? Yes sir. All right, guys. Everybody is doing very good. All right, I like it. All right, so now you guys, what you guys are doing is, you guys are analyzing what is the problem, and then you guys are finding solution. So everybody, let's move on. Everybody on this page, Aban, just click back once like this, no? And then you'll be on that page. Got the project button. Yeah, great, great. Everybody, okay, great. So now you have to find out, go to more businesses and scroll down, you'll see next button. It will load for some time. Don't get panicked. Okay, you'll see next button. Okay, just scroll the put a map पे छोटा कर दो, you'll see more businesses. There you go. Next button. Okay. Everybody on the next button? Can see next button? Yes, 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 yes. I want. Yes, Akila, good job. Right? Marin, good job. Yes. Pushpa, great job. Naro, great job. Santiwala, great. Everybody, wonderful. Great. Now you know what to do. Now open data scraper. The moment I open data scraper, you remember the table, red table. Earlier, the Flipkart red table was somewhere else. This time, the red table is here. Correct? Because the tool is intelligent. Tool knows which one, what you want. Okay. Because if the table was on the map, then you on the right hand side, which where you can see the map. Okay. All this, right? Sataka, Chuzuba, all this fake and all that. If you see, if the red table would have gone there, it will start picking up all that. That is not what we want. We want which is on the right, on the left hand side, not on the right hand side. Correct? Okay. Everybody, click on the blue button which says locate next button, and then now click on this. It will become green like this. Okay. Done. There you go. Ta-da! Now it's scraping all the data from Google, but there's nothing much here. I see only 18 here. Okay. It's also picking up data which is far from far as well. Okay. So can we reduce this one? Yes. If I change the if I reduce this one, okay. Like for example, if I zoom out of the map, okay, it's giving me 266. Why? Because you remember near me, you said, right? Near me means near your location. If you don't put near me, even if you put near me and then zoom out of the map, it will show you all, okay, in this location. Right? So let us say, let's go down. Locate next button. I'll click on next and then structure. Okay, so it has done pretty much 27 pages it has scored. Okay, so I'll copy all this data, I'll put it in this one, I'll show you guys. Let's say, okay, oops, yeah. So you guys remember the drill. You have to click on the empty box and then first align it properly in the center. Again, click on that empty box and then click on this all border. Okay, done. Once that is done, click on the first and make it bold. Okay, done. If that is done, now you understand. Okay, which one is the important one, which is not important, which is relevant, which is not relevant. For me, this is not relevant. I'll delete this. Okay. Nail salon, nail story, edge fashion, the spa by JNA. Okay. All right. Not just the nail bar, the nail room, Studio 12, Unwind, SJ Glam, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so many. Lash and Co, nail bar, Dimapur. Okay. Okay, great, 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 great. So many are there, right? Now my client comes and says, you know what? I'm running a nail salon. I want you to find out who are how many people. I want you to do digital marketing. Basically. Okay. What you do first? I will download this data. You know why? Because then I can find out who's got the best rating. Right. Let's say your client is Studio 12. Studio 12 is 4.2 rating. Okay. What is this? I'll show you later, but this is not needed. Okay, later. All right. 4.2. 4.2. Wow, very good. Do we have anyone who's very less? 3.7 hai. Okay, everybody more or less 3.4 hai. Everybody more or less is same. Okay. Now I can analyze and see what time they're open. How Google knows all this? Because these people who have created a Google page, they've they have been, they have added all that information. Right now, I know the timing also. Is it closed or open now? I can find out that also. Which location? I can find out that also. Now, do you, the URL? This is the URL. Okay. So let me quickly do this. Uh, Name. I'll just say brand. Okay, it's a brand, right? So brand. Rating. Type. Time. Status. Location. URL. What is it? My friend and reviews. URL. HRF URL. Okay, HRF URL to leave it. Delete. Delete direction. It's a source. So this delete this one. Okay. Basically, direction and source is asking because source is not needed now. It will complicate. Basically, you remember in Google, if you search something, it will show you where, search it where it's going. That one. Okay. What is this? I think these are phone numbers, right? Great. See, mobile numbers. If I have to find a job, I can also, you know, send them a message saying that, hey, I'm looking for a job. Okay? Or if I'm a digital marketing freelancer, what I'll do? Now I have all these mobile numbers, guys. Guess what? I have all the mobile numbers. I want to do freelance work. What I'll do, I'll send them a message saying that I'm a freelancer. This is my profile. This is my portfolio. This is what I've done for other clients. Can you please give me a call? We can discuss how I can help you. Yes or no? That also can be done. Yes or no, guys? Nobody is typing yes. Okay. Only Miran thinks it's correct. Okay. Atil also yes. Okay. Deepak also yes. Sanjeev also yeah. Yeah. See, I've got the data right. From who will give me this data? Google, free of cost. Okay. Now let me fix this as well. I don't need this URL. Booking. Oh, okay, this is type of meeting. Okay, very important. Type of meeting. Some businesses they will uh, ask you to book. Some businesses ask you to just call. I think this is location. All right, so I'll just do that and then the type of meeting is done. This is again type of meeting. I'll don't need this. Delete it. This is deleted. Okay, this is what is it? Manicure, pedicure, nail extension, stick on nails. Yeah, what? Stick on nails. Something. Stick on nails. I don't know what is it. Pedicure, manicure. I understand. Nail art. I understand. Okay, I think this category is talking about the specialization or what? I don't know. It could be. So let me type specialization or not specialization. It could be talking about services, right? This is services. Okay. I don't know if you think it's something different. Let me know. Okay. So I've got my data boss ready in few minutes. Boss says, please send it now. In you have half an hour. My data is ready in 10 minutes. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll apply filter. So I'll click on this number one. So the number one row gets highlighted. I'll click on this Y and then this three dots come. Now I can rate it A to Z. A to Z means the lowest to highest. See, the highest is down. Okay. Now these are no rating. There are no rating. The nail room, new fancy. There's no rating. A nail room has no rating. I think nail room is double or what? Let me see. Okay, it has picked up nail room 2. I don't know which is nail room, nail room. So if there are two, just delete this data because that is not important for this particular data analysis. Okay. All right. Fair enough. This is how I'll take out the data. Okay. This is how I'll take out the email address. sorry, no problem. Later on, we'll find out how to take out email addresses also. Okay. Later on, we'll find out the little bit. No, I'll teach you all legal reasons. Okay. All right. Done. Everybody clear. And then obviously I'll rename it to nail salon. Okay. Okay. Now, so I'll just share this link with you guys. Okay. If in case you guys want to see this link, okay, you have you have it in the chat. Okay, copy it. Everybody has the access. Whoever clicks on it will be able to see that. Okay, done. Now you can see at the bottom how I've done it. Okay, yeah, color it, color it yellow. Okay, nail salon. Is everything clear now? How to find out from Google? How to find out from e-commerce websites? Similarly, you can, but the only website that you cannot find out is banking websites, okay, and some of highly restricted websites. Banking websites, the crawlers do not, sorry, the scrapers do not work, okay. Which websites? Banking website, okay. Remember that. Why? Because of security reasons. Is it clear, everyone? Data scraping. Yes, thank you for this. Super helpful. Thank you so much, Satila, for that feedback. Those who think that it's super helpful, please give me a big review, a nice review on Google. I know a lot of people have not given us a review on Google. It really helps. Okay, because just imagine some guy is also taking out the data like this. Okay, and here the rating is there. If Kartys Digital Academy, I want to see 5, right? I want to see more ratings, right? Like this. Listen. Only you guys can help. Okay, those who have not given, please consider giving. Okay, request. All right, thank you so much. Any questions, please ask me. I'll try to help you out right now. No questions, Attila. Anybody else? Any questions? Naro, Santiwala, Aban, Lipokonan, Nungti Senla, Chanti Sola, Merin Kichu. All right. Okay, great, great guys, wonderful. Thank you so much again for your time and patience, and thank you for joining this special class. I really appreciate your patience and understanding. It is great, and as and when we require, if there is any topic that you guys are facing problem, let me know. I will definitely conduct a special class like this. Okay. Now again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful and a beautiful Sunday. All right. Please do your homework. Otherwise, it will not be a beautiful Monday for you guys. All right? Okay. Bye bye. Take care.